You've seen fast cars before, you've seen expensive cars before, but what happens when a machine doesn't just push limits, it completely rewrites them? Imagine sitting behind the wheel of something that feels less like a car and more like a statement of power, innovation, and pure obsession. This isn't just about speed. This is about what happens when a brand like Lamborghini decides that even its own legendary past isn't good enough anymore. Today, we're diving into something that's shaking the entire automotive world, the Lamborghini Revuelto. A car built not just for billionaires, but for those who want to own a piece of the future. The Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just another model added to the lineup. It represents a turning point. For decades, Lamborghini was known for one thing above all else: naturally aspirated V12 engines that roared like thunder and delivered raw, unfiltered performance. But the world is changing. Emissions regulations are tightening, technology is evolving, and expectations are rising. So instead of compromising, Lamborghini did something bold. They reinvented the V12. Under the hood of the Revuelto lies a masterpiece, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, but this time, it's paired with a revolutionary hybrid system. Yes, Lamborghini has entered the hybrid era, but not in the way you might expect. This isn't about saving fuel. This is about unlocking even more power. The V12 alone produces around 814 horsepower, and when combined with 3 electric motors, the total output jumps to a mind-blowing 1001 horsepower. Let that sink in for a moment. 4-digit horsepower in a Lamborghini that still screams like a traditional V12 monster. But the magic isn't just in the numbers. It's in how the power is delivered. The electric motors provide instant torque, eliminating any delay and making acceleration feel almost violent. From 0 to 100 km per hour, the Revuelto takes just 2.5 seconds. That's not just fast, that's hypercar territory. And yet, it still maintains the emotional, spine-tingling experience that Lamborghini fans crave. What makes this even more impressive is the new dual-clutch transmission. Lamborghini has completely redesigned its gearbox, placing it in a unique position to optimize weight distribution and performance. Gear shifts are lightning fast, seamless, and aggressive, giving you that perfect blend of control and chaos. It's not just engineering, it's art in motion. Now let's talk about design, because with Lamborghini, design isn't just important, it's everything. The Revuelto looks like it belongs in the future. Sharp lines, aggressive angles, and a silhouette that demands attention from every angle. It's instantly recognizable, yet completely new. The iconic Y-shaped LED lights dominate the front and rear, creating a signature look that feels both futuristic and unmistakably Lamborghini. Aerodynamics play a massive role here. Every vent, every curve, every surface has a purpose. Active aerodynamic elements adjust in real time to optimize downforce and stability. The rear wing, the diffusers, even the underbody, all work together to keep the car glued to the road at insane speeds. This isn't just about looking aggressive. It's about performing at the highest level. Step inside, and the Revuelto continues to impress. The interior is a perfect fusion of luxury and technology. Lamborghini has taken a massive leap forward in terms of digital integration. You're greeted with multiple screens, a fully digital driver display, a central infotainment system, and even a passenger display. Yes, the passenger gets their own screen, allowing them to monitor performance data, navigation, and more. It turns the entire cabin into a high-tech command center. The materials are exactly what you'd expect from a car of this caliber. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, premium leather, it's all there. But what stands out is the attention to detail. Every stitch, every surface, every element feels intentional. The seats are designed to hold you firmly in place during high-speed driving, yet remain comfortable enough for longer journeys. It's a balance that's incredibly difficult to achieve, but Lamborghini nails it. Technology in the Revuelto isn't just about screens and displays. It's about enhancing the driving experience. The car offers multiple driving modes, allowing you to switch between electric, hybrid, and full performance settings. In electric mode, the car can actually drive silently for short distances. It's almost surreal to think that a Lamborghini can move without making a sound. But the moment you switch to performance mode, the V12 roars to life, reminding you exactly what you're driving. Advanced driver assistance systems are also part of the package. While this is still very much a driver-focused machine, Features like adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, and collision warning systems make it more usable in everyday situations. It's a supercar that doesn't force you to compromise on practicality. Now, let's address something that always comes up with cars like this: price. The Lamborghini Revuelto sits firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. Starting prices are expected to be well over $600,000, and that's before customization. And if you know anything about Lamborghini buyers, customization is a huge part of the experience. From unique paint finishes to bespoke interior options, buyers can easily push the price much higher. This isn't just a purchase. It's a personal statement. But here's the thing. People who buy the Revuelto aren't just buying a car. They're buying exclusivity. They're buying innovation. They're buying something that very few people in the world will ever experience. And in that sense, the price starts to make a different kind of sense. When it comes to maintenance and ownership, Lamborghini has also made improvements. The hybrid system is designed to be reliable, and service intervals have been optimized. However, this is still a high-performance machine, and ownership costs will reflect that. Regular servicing, specialized parts, and insurance all come at a premium. This is not a car you buy if you're thinking about practicality. This is a car you buy because you want the absolute best. Now let's talk about competition. The Revuelto isn't entering an empty space. It's going up against some of the most advanced hypercars in the world. Brands like Ferrari, McLaren, and even hybrid hypercars from other manufacturers are pushing boundaries in similar ways. But Lamborghini has always had something unique: an emotional edge. It's not just about lap times or specifications. It's about how the car makes you feel. And this is where the Revuelto truly stands out. It manages to combine cutting-edge hybrid technology with the raw, emotional experience of a naturally aspirated V12. It doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like an evolution. A bold step forward without forgetting where it came from. Driving the Revuelto isn't just about speed. It's about presence. It's about the way people react when they see it, the way it sounds as it roars down the road, the way it makes you feel every time you press the accelerator. It's an experience that goes beyond numbers and specifications. So, is the Lamborghini Revuelto redefining luxury? The answer isn't just yes. It's an undeniable, game-changing evolution that pushes the boundaries of what a modern supercar can be. It marks the beginning of a completely new chapter, not only for Lamborghini but for the entire high-performance automotive world. This machine proves, in the most dramatic way possible, that performance and sustainability are no longer opposites but can exist together in perfect harmony. It shows that innovation doesn't require sacrificing identity. Instead, it can enhance it, sharpen it, and elevate it to a level never seen before. And perhaps most importantly, it reconnects us with the very emotion that made us fall in love with cars in the first place: the thrill, the sound, the presence, and the feeling of something truly extraordinary. The Revuelto isn't just built for billionaires. It stands as a bold symbol of limitless ambition. It represents what happens when engineering precision, cutting-edge technology, visionary design, and pure passion come together without compromise. Every detail reflects a future-focused mindset while still honoring Lamborghini's legendary DNA. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a vision, and a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence, all wrapped in one of the most iconic and powerful badges the world has ever seen. And now the question is, if you had the chance, would you choose the Revuelto over every other supercar out there? Or is there something else that still holds your attention? Let me know what you think.